In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it, tap on this pen at the bottom right corner of Tab menu. Scroll all the way down. Look for Location here, and when you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Then let go and go back. So finally, when I tap on Location shortcut and select Close in No Location Access pop-up, I can see that it was successfully disabled. You can always enable it by tapping on the same No Black tile again. If you wish to, you can also just go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!